Hello, I'm Daniel from Vietnam Outsourcing. I'm thrilled to announce that we will be attending Fabtech 2024 in Orlando, Florida this year, October 15 to 17. And this year, we are bringing something special to Fabtech. We are hosting an exciting giveaway this year. As you can see over here, you can win this exquisite luxury pen known as Thanh Thiên in Vietnamese or Unlimited Sky in English. So these pens are made from the finest mother of pearl, and it comes with two versions. One is 80 karat white gold and the other is 24 karat gold, as you can see over here. It took over 30 different stages and hundreds of hours of skilled labor to create. This is also used by the Vietnam government in the highest diplomacy meetings. It's truly a symbol of elegance and craftsmanship. Additionally, we also have our VNO motto, keep delivering, engraved in the pens over here, as you can see it. We are very proud of this motto, keep delivering, because in VNO, we don't just deliver your goods or product that made in Vietnam. We always deliver the highest value to our customer, either it's on-time delivery, either it's international level of quality, or the utmost sense of service, sense of urgency, etc. And at the same time, we don't just keep delivering our value to the customer, we also have the supplier who work with us to help them improve, to help them grow with us, and to make life better to all of the workers that work with VNO in Vietnam. So keep delivering. Okay, here is how you can enter this giveaway. 1. Please follow our LinkedIn page. 2. Please like our giveaway post. And number 3, very importantly, please share the white paper articles on our LinkedIn and tell us why you are excited about manufacturing in Vietnam. This is an article about Vietnam manufacturing landscape, what are the common misconceptions, what are the most common mistakes that people make trying to set up the supply chain in Vietnam, as well as step-by-step pointers of how you should carry out your sourcing or manufacturing activities in Vietnam. I'm strongly confident that this will provide great insight and value to your company operation, especially if you are looking forward to getting your product made in Vietnam. And step number 4, please come and meet us at booth number S33151 at Orange Country Convention Center, Orlando, Florida. The winners will be the one with the most share, like, or comments of the share post. So be sure to make the share articles of yours stand out and boost your chance of winning this awesome gift. We can't wait to meet you at Fabtech 2024 and discuss how Vietnam Outsourcing can help your business thrive. Follow us, participate in the giveaway, and come visit our booth. See you in Orlando. Good luck with the giveaway, and let's make this Fabtech remarkable.